Dairy is lactose. Anything with oats at the end is sugar. And it's also made to grow a baby cow. So there's a lot of growth hormone in dairy that will prevent you from losing weight. And it will mess with your own hormones. A little bit of dairy is okay on occasion, but we don't do a lot.
Okay, let's say the record straight based on what this actual science says about dairy and lactose. So the first claim is that dairy is lactose and that lactose is a sugar. Well, yes, that's technically correct. Lactose is indeed a sugar, especially a disaccharide composed of glucose and galactose. However, to say dairy is lactose only oversimplifies the complexity of dairy products. Dairy isn't just lactose. It's also packed with proteins like casein and whey, fat, vitamins, and minerals, making it a nutritionally dense food. Here's the deal. Lactose does break down into sugars, but it is absorbed more slowly than more refined sugars. The body handles this sugar quite well, especially when consumed in whole dairy products. And if you want some science, a 2017 study published in Nutrients, researchers found that dairy products, due to their protein content, can help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote satiety, which is actually beneficial for weight loss management.
So there's a lot of growth hormone in dairy that will prevent you from losing weight.
So this statement is actually quite incorrect. This is a very common misconception. Yes, dairy is naturally meant to nourish cows, and calves specifically, but that doesn't mean it has the same effect on humans. Dairy does contain some natural hormones, but not at the level that will impact your natural human biological hormones. And this, in very slow amounts, actually our digestive system breaks them down before they can even affect our body or being absorbed and have an effect on our physiology. For the claim that dairy prevents weight loss by messing with your hormones, there is actually evidence suggesting the opposite. A study published in Obesity Research found that the high protein content in dairy can actually aid weight management by promoting satiety and helping preserve muscle mass during weight loss periods. Calcium, another key nutrient in dairy, has also been linked to benefiting fat loss, recovery, and muscle contraction, which contributes to the benefit of enhancing the bone mineral density, helps you to have stronger bones and prevent osteoporosis. And if you're stronger and you age well, you can perform better, you can get stronger at the gym, and age gracefully. And by being able to be independent and active, you can maintain a healthy weight. This idea that dairy should only be consumed occasionally might work for some, especially if you're lactose intolerant or have a personal preference. But for most people, dairy can be a nutritious and beneficial part of their daily diet. Again, the key is always moderation and making sure your dairy sources are high quality, moderating the combination of high fat content and low fat content if you're looking to manage your weight and your overall health. In fact, a large meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition concluded that regular consumption of dairy products is associated with a reduced risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease, especially when dairy is low fat. To wrap this up, dairy is much more than just lactose. It doesn't have the horrible effect on your hormones or a catastrophic effect on weight that some may claim, like this lady. When consumed in moderation as part of a healthy, balanced diet, dairy can actually support your health, your bone mineral density, and can also help you achieve your weight loss goals. And the science is clear on this. Dairy can be your friend and not your enemy. If you found this helpful, make sure to share it with someone who may benefit and may need to hear this. And don't forget, follow this girl, and I see you in the next one.